Welcome back. We rooted some cuttings 3 weeks ago. We took cuttings from our mother plants, our chrysanthemums, and we set them into vermiculite. And I just want to follow up and show you what we have grown.
Here is one of our trays that's been sitting on the heat mat at 70F and under grow lights for the last 3 to 4 weeks. We have added water every few days to maintain about a 1/4 inch of water in our tray. And voila, I'm gonna lift up the tray and you can see here roots forming that are even coming out of the tray. And if you get a little closer here, you can see the swirly roots forming right there.
One quick way to check whether your cuttings have rooted is you can just give it a wiggle, and usually you'll feel a little bit of resistance. Because we use vermiculite falls apart quite easily. So I'm just going to scoop this one out. This is Hagaromo. And I've got a little prepared 4-inch pot here that I will set it into. I'm going to lift it out, and I'm going to simply place it into the soil like so, and backfill with a little bit of soil. Because these have been in the garage, we're going to set these on the side of the house and slowly harden them off. And then in a few more weeks, we'll be able to plant them out with our other chrysanthemums and hopefully have a lot of blooms come October or November. Thanks for watching. I'm Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms in Los Altos, California. If you like this video, click like and subscribe so that you can stay tuned for more growing tips from our microflower farm to you.